how to pay money with Venmo balance instead of bank. So if you want to pay money with Venmo balance instead of your bank account, basically all you have to do is simply open up Venmo and make sure to download it and then log into your Venmo account. So here enter your email, password, and then just make sure to sign in. Once you're signed in, go to settings page, and from settings page at the top you'll find an option that says payment methods. So you have to make sure to simply tap on the payment methods option, and as and when you tap on payment method you can see pay or request, so you can simply select that option. Make sure to add a recipient by either scanning their code or sending between the top people by their username, phone, or email. And once done, you can select pay or request. What's it for? You can write the remarks, make it public, and then just tap on the pay option. And as and when you tap on the pay option, you will be able to send them money using your Venmo balance. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.